I'm going to teach you goblet squats, and that is when you take a dumbbell and you hold it like a giant goblet. You're holding it out in front of you. You're going to want your feet shoulder width, or hip to shoulder width apart. Angle your toes however you like to make it comfortable for your knees. You're bracing your abs and just making sure your knees are tracking with your hips and your ankles, or slightly wider. You're just coming down and then up and holding this weight out in front. Holding this weight out in front is great because it encourages you to engage your abs. I'm going to show you from the side. It encourages you to engage your abs and keeps you a little bit more upright, actually. So this can be a really great way to kind of get that glute exercise, but also target a little bit right there too. What's not to love about that? That's about it, but I'm going to actually show you with a band around your knees. We're doing a banded dumbbell goblet squat. Something to keep in mind is the higher that this band is on your legs, the easier it is. So try not to have it just below your butt cheeks, because that means you're not really doing anything. At the knees or below the knees is a really great place to be. So I'm going to show you with at the knees right here. You're holding your goblet right in front of you, bracing your abs. You are pushing your knees out to the side as you come down into your squat. And what that's going to do is it's going to activate your glute medius a little bit more. So you're really going to feel this one. It's going to feel so awesome tomorrow when you're a little bit sore. You're going to love it. So I'm going to show you a front view. So feet are going to be hip to shoulder width apart. Angle them however you need to for comfort. Push those knees out as you come down. You're really trying to get in there. Try to activate those glute medius, medii, however that's said. I feel like I should know, but whatever. So we are just doing our goblet squat with our band, activating a little extra glute.